Hey, Melissa. I hope you're doing well. My name is Christa, and we actually spoke last week. I hope you had a great Easter weekend. I just want to apologize for this video being a little bit late, a little bit later than I had planned. But as promised, here is the custom screencast video for Long Island carpet cleaners. And in this video today, I'm going to go over 3 key things you can begin doing to really increase your business and bring in more clients and outrank your competition in the area. And so if by the end of the video you like what you've seen and you like what you've heard and you feel like I can help you out, then please feel free to reach out to me with any questions or anything. If not, that's totally fine as well. No harm, no foul whatsoever. Still feel free though to take this video and use it as a basis to begin implementing these tips and tools on your own. So let's go ahead and jump in. So I want to talk about 3 things. I want to talk about content, citations, and backlinks. I'm going to explain more into detail what those are as we go along. Content is everything on your front page, and that includes the words, it includes the pictures, and it includes what's behind the pictures and what the pictures are saved as. And so something that a lot of people may not know yet is that Google's algorithms have changed a lot in the past, I would say past 7 years, 5 to 7 years. And by algorithms, I just mean what is important to Google and how they rank a site. It has changed a lot in the sense of they value content a lot more now than they used to. And so a couple key things about content. Google likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your front page, and that allows enough space to really clearly let your clients know what it is you do and where you service, and just some basic information that potential clients look for when deciding what business to hire for their particular job. And so, like I said, 1,000 to 1,500 words of content. Another reason why that's super important is because that amount of content allows you to really incorporate keywords and key terms, which is those are just the phrases that potential clients use when searching for the type of services that you have to offer. And so more content, more keywords that you can fit into that content, right? And so Google, and also when I'm talking about these things, I want us to be mindful that Google is in regards to this, your business and ranking your business, should be seen less as a search engine and more as a popularity contest. So the more the merrier, right? And so the more content, the merrier. The more keywords, the merrier. And the more you can optimize on those keywords. And I kind of see keywords almost as a magnet, because you're literally taking the terms that people are using it. You are incorporating it in your content, and you are and by doing so and doing it well, you are attracting that potential clientele to your website and in turn to your business. And so a practical way to look at this is look at the competition, right, and see what they're doing. So there's a business, I'm not sure if you've heard of them, Fantastic Carpet Cleaning. And so just to do a little bit of comparison and contrast, I saw that you guys currently have 552 words of content on your front page. They only have 438. So a practical thing here, they don't even have as much content on their front page as you guys do. Because like I said, you guys have 552, they have 438. A practical thing you could do, just to be really proactive, is boost your count up to 1,000 and really begin to really incorporate and capitalize on those keyword opportunities. And you want to get good keywords that have a high search volume, right, per month. And if you do that and begin to really optimize on those keywords, you will beat out Fantastic Carpet Cleaners in content. So that is a suggestion right there. Second thing I want to talk about is something called citations. Now I put in a key phrase here. I put in carpet cleaner NY. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic section of Google. These are the paid ads. People pay to be up here into the Google Guaranteed and the Google Ads. But if we scroll down here, this is the organic search section of Google. And right here is what's called the Google Map Pack. And this just shows customers and it shows Google where your business is. Google uses citations to help legitimize your business. And so a citation is pretty much a company name, a company number, and a company address listed in an online directory. So Google is a directory, Yelp is a directory, Yellow Pages is a directory, and there are so many other directories online. And so here's how citations work. The more citations you have, the higher up in this Google map pack you will appear, right? Second thing about citations is that you want to make sure all your information is accurate, because I've actually seen Google dock points and rank businesses lower because they have inaccurate information across different directories. Google kind of sees it as a less valid business, and so that's something that they really value. I use a tool for citations called WhiteSpark, and WhiteSpark just allows me to see where your specific citations are as opposed to your competition, right? And so I see that right now you guys have 22 citation sources, and I can go down here and it gets really nerdy, right? Use the drop down menu, see the specific links and where they are, and I see you guys have 22. So right here, fantastic carpet cleaning, this is one of the reasons why they appear higher up in the Google Map Pack, and it's because they have 34 citation sources. And the same as I can do with you, I can see exactly where those are. So they've got Bird Eye, Care.com, Manta, Yellow Pages, MapQuest, right? Patch.com. We can see exactly where those URLs are. And we want to, if we're talking about outranking our competition, we want to get you the same citations and more. And so WhiteSpark allows us to do that and not take shots in the dark, right? And it helps us to make sure whatever we're doing on the citations end of things is precise, because we have all the numbers and all the data right here. Third and final thing I want to talk about is something called backlinks. Now, backlinks, in essence, is an authoritative site or platform that is linking up with your site, and they are sharing their authority with you. And as a result of them sharing their authority with you, your authority in Google goes up, right? And when I say authority with Google, I just mean how much Google trusts you as a legitimate business. Think of it as how likely Google is to recommend you to potential clients who are using them to search for these type of services, right? And so right now I can see that you have 81 referring domains giving you 350 backlinks. So right now there should be 350 backlinks that is passing power and passing authority back to your site. And it's resulting in a domain rating strength score on a scale of 1 to 100, a 25, and a URL strength score on a scale of 1 to 100. You guys have a 10 currently. This is where you guys are. Again, we want to check out our competition and see specifically what they're doing, right? So I'm going to go back here. So you guys are at a 25 and a 10, right? And so over here, I put in fantastic carpet cleaning. I see they've got 78 referring domains, giving them almost 6,000 backlinks. And their DR rating score is at a 17, and it should be higher. So there are more than likely some not so authoritative backlinks that is passing back power to their site, and it's not doing what it should be doing. So they're at a 17, URL strength score is at a 32. And so I've seen backlinks work like magic, right? You get some really good backlinks in there, and after a couple, 2 or 3 months, 4 months even, the authority of a business is like shooting through the roof. I've seen it go from 0.1, on a domain rating to like a 10, a 20, a 30, a 40, or 50. And so that is the power of an authoritative site sharing their authority with you. So Melissa, thank you so much for your time. That's pretty much all I wanted to share with you. I hope this information was valuable, and I know you guys are busy, so I'll be reaching out in 2 or 3 days just to see what you thought of the video and get some feedback. And like I said, thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I look forward to talking to you.